Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. 1 hour per day of study in your chosen field is all it takes. 1 hour per day of study will put you at the top of your field within 3 years. Within 5 years, you'll be a national authority. In 7 years, you can be one of the best people in the world at what you do. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Think how really precious is the time you have to spend, whether it's at work or with your family. Every minute should be enjoyed and savored. Successful people are not people without problems. They are people who have learned to solve their problems. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. Now, success is not the result of making money. Making money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service. Most people have this law backwards. They believe that you're successful if you earn a lot of money. The truth is that you can only earn money after you're successful. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Whenever we're afraid, it's because we don't know enough. If we understood enough, we would never be afraid. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Watch what everyone else does. Do the opposite. The majority is always wrong. Don't take the attitude of waiting for people to be nice to you. Be nice to them. Don't sit in front of a cold stove waiting for the heat. Put in the fuel. Act first. Control your thoughts. Decide about that which you will think and concentrate upon. You are in charge of your life to the degree you take charge of your thoughts. Security isn't what the wise person looks for. It's opportunity. Successful people are dreamers who have found a dream too exciting, too important to remain in the realm of fantasy. Day by day, hour by hour, they toil in the service of their dream until they can see it with their eyes and touch it with their hands. We become what we think about. Don't concern yourself too much with how you are going to achieve your goal. Leave that completely to a power greater than yourself. All you have to do is know where you're going. The answers will come to you of their own accord and at the right time. We must radiate success before it will come to us. We must first become mentally, from an attitude standpoint, the people we wish to become. People don't have great attitudes because of great success. They have great success largely because of great attitudes. Thank you for listening. Continue to subscribe this channel. Hopefully it will be useful.